Okay, so it's been about a week since Sam came over, and you know, we did a bunch of stuff and got the truck running, so let's see if it still runs. Yep, there it is. Oh, that interior, the door cards are looking so good. So as you can see today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the last seat cover, and I'm also going to take both the seats out, and I'm going to start to sand down the back here. And also, I don't know why, but someone has put 2 holes in here, so I'm gonna filler those up or something. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna prep this area, and I'm gonna like prime it and spray it mountain green, because I've still got some paint left over from when I did the door jambs, and obviously inside the door. So yeah, you know, you might have heard me talk on the podcast about how I want the outside of the truck to look patina and, you know, rough and ready, but I really like the idea of having the inside, the interior, really nice. So that's the goal, that's the overall goal, is to have it looking ratty but inside looking As you can see, I'm still waiting for the drop plates so I can lower the truck properly, but it's getting there. I just found like this moth under the seat. It looks like it's pretty big, but I'm so scared to lift this carpet up. I am actually so scared. Oh, look at that. We all know what that was for. Okay, so got the first bit off. And I thought I'd just show you this. Ah, you little... I thought I'd give a shout out to my buddy Mike Reed in Oregon for sending me this. So I'm going to swap that over. That literally just comes off like that. And then I'm going to put the tan one on. So there we go. If anybody has like the tan version of this, I guess I could spray paint it tan, but if anybody does have all the other bits like this, please let me know. Ah, nice. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take out the seat belt on that side, potentially this side as well, and take off this black carpet. I don't know what that is. I'm going to take that off and see what's behind it, and I might have to do the same sort of thing that I'm doing to here, so sanding it down, priming it, mountain green paint again. So I want as much green as possible. And you see there in the corner, see there on the A-pillar, there's like black material, and it's on this side as well, and I'm just going to take that back, and hopefully there's some really nice mountain green behind that. There's a guy on Instagram that I'm talking to, Slim Quattro, I think his Instagram name is. I'm probably getting that wrong, but I'll put it here. And he's actually got some tan seat belts. Get this, he's got a mountain green, and he wants to put black interior in it, and I want to put tan in mine. So it just kind of makes sense that we just do a basic swap. So he's gonna send me his tan seat belts, and I'm going to send him my black seat belts. So I'm going to go ahead, take out the seat belts and the carpet, and I'll still figure out how I'm going to fill those 2 holes. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Yummy! Oh, it's like that, like glue residue, yellowy goodness. Ugh. You know where these can go, don't you? In the bin! See what's behind door number 2. Yep, just as I thought. Let's see what's behind door number 3. Oh man, this is awful. Ugh. What is that? Is that some sort of sound deadening? Never seen anything like that before. It's just like rubber. Oh, what the fuck, man? You have to pull these off. Oh. There we go. Door number 4. What's this? It's another little difference. I don't think the UK caddies have these things where you hook the carpet on, so there's another little difference. Jesus. Oh, this is grimy. This is moist. I wonder why that is. Nasty. It's so nasty. Like, oh. I'm just glad to see that there's no holes anywhere. I think I'm going to make an executive decision and take out the carpet. We all know that I don't want black carpet or black interior. It's something that I'm definitely going to change, but I just don't know when. But I do know for a fact that the black carpet is not here to stay, and whilst I've got the seats out, I might as well just take out the whole carpet. So here goes nothing. Okay, so I think I might keep all this stuff on here. I don't know if this was from factory or what, but some of this stuff, you know, could provide extra padding for the new carpet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand down the back, the sides, and just, I think if I do get, well, when I do get new carpet, I'm going to carpet up to there. So, alright. Who wants carpet? Alright, I've just used some filler on those 2 holes. I don't know if that was the right thing to do. I don't know if I used the right thing. It said waterproof, and now we've got the sander, and now we're about to go to work. Okay, so sanded down the back bulkhead using different levels of grit, starting with the hardest and going to the softest, giggity, and then yeah, sort of smooth down the back, because the back here on the frame had like some gluey, gunky stuff. So now what I've got is some plastic bags and some masking tape and stuff, so I'm gonna sort of tape up a few areas and then just fucking go for it. So alright, that'll do for the moment. And we've got, this is what we had left over from doing the doors. We've got some high build primer in grey, and we've got our LE6B mounting green. Let's do this. Oh yeah, before we begin I should say that I'm definitely wearing gloves and safety gear, goggles and masks. Yeah, let's go.
A few minutes later.
Okay, here we are with the first coat of primer. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, let's go for a... I might do a little bit more primer and then do the mountain green colour next.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so I've taken all the masking tape off obviously, but yeah. So just to give you some reference, you see above the rear window up here, that is the original mountain green, and you can, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, that's the original paint, and then this is obviously what I've sprayed. I mean, it looks great, you know. I don't think you'll be able to tell. Obviously on the outside is the original mountain green, and then on the inside is the new. So I forgot to tape up that little grommet over there, but that's okay, I can just scratch that paint off. Yeah, we are doing alright. So what I'll do is I'll just leave that to dry, and before I put anything back in, like seats and what have you. So there we go, we've achieved putting both the seat covers on, we've taken the carpet out. We found a home for that carpet to go. My friend Jack Humphrey, shout out to him. He's going to be taking that off me. And then a lot of you guys have been recommending is it Newton commercial carpets? Anyway, I'm going to have a look into them and see if I can find a suitable colour that will match like the tan interior. There's a colour called Biscuit. I'm going to have a look later on the laptop. But yeah, and then we resprayed the Bulkhead, I believe that's what it's called, and it's looking good. We're getting there, and we've got a show coming up that me and Sam are going to. It's called VW Action. That's going to be the very first weekend of September, I believe, which is going to be a lot of fun, hopefully. But I suppose, like these shows, they are what you make it. So it's in Santa Pod Raceway. If you guys are going to VW Action, please let me know in the comments below, or just come over and say hi. It's going to be a lot of fun, and that's what I'm gearing this truck up to be, you know, more complete in my eyes. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.